What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. Hope y'all enjoy my $12 painting that I got from, I don't know. I don't remember where the guy said it was. Anyway, hilarious, hilarious. It's not a $12 painting. It's actually a $20 painting. I gave $20 for it. So still cheap. Why does it matter? Everything's about money with some people. But this is going to be just a little teaser video of all the stuff that I have on Pinnacle Credit, Pinnacle Management, whatever he goes by today. And so I'm going to give him one option, and that's going to be to delete his whole YouTube channel. I know he's going to watch the video. That's kind of what I want. But I want y'all to look at these screenshots that I'm going to be showing. I only got about 3 or 4 of them that I'm going to share today, but I have a lot more than what I'm going to show. But this guy is literally threatening somebody because he has their social security card. So do you really want to hire somebody to work on your credit that if you piss them off, they're going to use that against you? Hey, don't forget, I've got your social security number. And just, making all these threats. Again, this is just a teaser video. This is probably 1% of all the information, the screenshots, and the threatening text messages that I have. And I was given permission from this person to post these screenshots. And as you will be able to see, they have Andre's WhatsApp phone number and his personal cell phone number. So if you want to sue me for posting your number, just remember what you said in these text messages can be used against you as well. So if y'all have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments. Again, be careful who you sign up with Credit for Repair, because they do have your personal information. But when they start threatening you, that's not a good thing. This is a so-called CEO as well. Y'all have a great day.